Welcome everyone to this presentation on trading in the zone. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that is crucial for anyone who wants to succeed in trading. Trading in the zone is a concept that has been gaining popularity among traders worldwide, and for good reason too. Trading in the zone is all about achieving a state of mind where you are completely focused on the task at hand. It's about being in the moment and making decisions based on what the market is telling you, rather than letting your emotions get in the way. By doing so, you can significantly improve your chances of success in the world of trading. Trading in the zone is a state of mind where a trader is completely focused on the task at hand, without distractions or emotional interference. It is a mental state where the trader is in complete control of their thoughts and emotions, and is able to make rational decisions based on their analysis of the market. This approach differs from other approaches to trading, such as day trading or swing trading, which can be more reactive and emotional. Trading in the zone requires discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of the markets. It is not a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term approach to trading that can lead to consistent profits over time. The psychology of trading is a critical component in achieving success as a trader. Our emotions, biases, and beliefs all play a role in our decision-making process, and can often lead us to make irrational or impulsive trades. For example, fear can cause us to sell too soon, while greed can cause us to hold onto a losing position for too long. One of the most important psychological factors in trading is discipline. Successful traders have a set of rules and strategies that they follow consistently, even in the face of market volatility or unexpected events. They also have the ability to control their emotions and remain calm under pressure. This allows them to make rational decisions based on objective analysis rather than emotional reactions. The first principle of trading in the zone is to be present in the moment. This means focusing on what is happening right now, rather than worrying about past losses or future gains. By being present, we can make better decisions and react more quickly to changes in the market. The second principle is to trust your intuition. This doesn't mean making impulsive decisions based on emotions, but rather using your experience and knowledge to make informed decisions. Sometimes our gut instincts can lead us to profitable trades that we might have missed otherwise. The third principle is to manage risk effectively. This involves setting stop-loss orders and being willing to cut losses quickly if a trade isn't working out. It also means not risking too much on any one trade, so that we don't wipe out our entire account with one bad decision. The fourth and final principle is to maintain discipline and consistency. This means sticking to our trading plan and not deviating from it based on emotions or outside influences. By maintaining discipline, we can avoid making rash decisions and stay on track towards our long-term goals. One of the most common trading mistakes is failing to have a clear strategy in place. This can lead to impulsive decision-making and emotional trading, which often result in losses. To avoid this mistake, traders should develop a solid trading plan that includes entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and clear goals. Another common mistake is overtrading, or taking on too many positions at once. This can lead to a lack of focus and increased risk, as well as higher transaction costs. To avoid this mistake, traders should stick to their trading plan and only take on positions that meet their criteria. In conclusion, we have learned that trading in the zone is a mindset that allows traders to make better decisions and achieve consistent profits. By understanding the psychology of trading and applying the 4 principles of trading in the zone, traders can avoid common mistakes and stay focused on their goals. Remember, trading in the zone is not a quick fix or a magic formula. It requires discipline, patience, and practice. But by committing to this approach, you can become a successful trader who consistently achieves your financial goals. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.